Welcome, today we're going to show you how to use GLM 4.6 or 4.7 in VSCode. So the first thing that you need to do is to search for z.ai. So you will see this link, you need to open it, and this website will open. After that you need to go to API section. After that, from here you will see all the APIs that you can actually use. So you need to know that this is not actually free. You need to pay for a plan or for the thing that you are using from here. So if you want the 4.6 version, you need to click on it. And now from here you need to click on API keys. So now you can actually create a new key, but as see you need to have a subscription. So you can create your new API key from here if you don't have one. After that, you can copy the API key after you create it. So after that, from Visual Studio Code, you need to go to the Extensions tab and search for Client. So you can actually use another extensions, but this is the one that I am using in this video. You need to install it, I'll see from here. So after you successfully install Client and log into your account, you need to open the settings button from Client tab. Then from here you need to search for the AI, as see from here, and then you need to choose the model and insert the API key. After that, hit on done, and now you have successfully connected the GLM API to VS Code. So that's it, thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.